Mawakili wa pande zote mbili walikuwa na hisia mbalimbali kuhusiana na uamuzi wa leo wa kihistoria. George Oraru alikuwa wakili mkuu wa Raila Odinga kwa upande wa walalamishi.
The final constitutional decision of the Supreme Court as far as the elections are concerned, we take it as it is given. I don't think I'm in a position to comment until I see the reasons for their decision.
James Orengo pia ni mmoja wa mawakili wa upande wa CORD.
The Supreme Court has spoken. It is the court of last resort and of the first recourse as far as presidential elections are concerned. So really, the judicial door has been shut. Respecting the verdict of the Supreme Court does not mean that one cannot disagree with the decisions that they made. Although they're saying they're going to have their reasons later after 2 weeks.
Naye Kethi Kilonzo alikuwa wakili wa shirika la African Center for Open Governance, AFRICOG.
And I am happy that if nothing else, the court has completed this task within time and the country can move on from the electoral process and with its other business.
Je, mawakili wa upande wa washtakiwa walikuwa na maoni yepi hasa baada ya uamuzi wa leo kuwa walivyotaka?
Both the IEBC and the chairman, who was the returning officer, are very happy with the verdict of the court. It vindicated the position they took right from the start, that this election was free and fair, and it was conducted as per the constitution and the laws of Kenya, and the court confirmed that.
Mwanasheria mkuu Githu Muigai aliyehusishwa kwenye kesi kama rafiki wa mahakama ameutaja uamuzi wa mahakama kama ushindi kwa Wakenya wote.
That the Supreme Court has found its voice in the national legal and constitutional order. I think this is a very, very good day for our democracy. I do not think individuals have won. I think the people of Kenya have won.
I think the decision that has been made by the court is really welcomed by Kenyans. And now Kenyans also have been saying that they want to move on.
Ni uamuzi wa kihistoria ambao umetolewa baada ya majaji 6 waliokuwa wakisikiliza kesi kuandaa kikao cha faragani ili kupata muda wa kutathmini kwa kina ushahidi uliokuwa umetolewa mbele ya mahakama na pande zote husika kwenye kesi. Patrick Injendi, Citizen Nipashe, Nairobi.